Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Today we've got another project in front of us. This is a 1968 Shelby GT500. This is finished in its original color of lime gold. Saddle interior, which is a rare combination. And this one has a lot of good options, including AC and tilt. So we'll see that tilt column here in a second, and we'll show you guys just how solid of a project this one is. But like I said, rare color combo, and to get the AC makes this one pretty special. So we'll take a stroll around. I'll show you just how solid this one is throughout. This is all original Ford sheet metal, all original Shelby fiberglass as well. So originally this one came with the wheel covers, which we do have, but you can see these are the Shelby wheels they sold in the mid to late 70s, I believe. Kind of giving this one a little nostalgic look. Let's jump on the interior. This one does have all its original tags, so I'll show you the door tag now, and when we get around to them, I'll show you the rest of the tags. So you can see that saddle Deluxe interior. A couple little rips in these front seats, but the rest of them are pretty nice back here. It does have all its original seat belts, so you see the retractors on the roll bar. Rear seats, you see the date codes there. You can see them here. This does have fold down seat. See the trap door back there. Shelby steering wheel. Another cool fact about this car, 30,000 original miles on this one. See those Shelby console gauges and the unique 1968 console. It does have original carpet in this one still, so very original. We haven't pulled out the gauge cluster to get the build sheet, but I would assume that this one still has it. We were talking about tilt, so that second button there is for the tilt. So when the door opens, the steering column pops away. So this one does have one repaint. This is not the original paint. It was painted years ago, so it kind of has that original paint look to it. So if somebody wanted to, get it running, cruising around just like this, it would definitely have that look, that light patina look. We'll pop the trunk. Like I said, all original Shelby glass. So you can see that original deck lid. Very solid in the trunk here. Take a stroll around. We had to keep it tight to the lift just to make it better for the opening of the video there. So that's why you're seeing this. Original fiberglass scoops. Show you this side of the interior real quick. It's another one of those original tags. This is the original dash tag on this one. Show you down the side here. This does have the early Marshall fog lights. You can see on there. They call this the Shelby letter panel. As you can see, they call it that for a reason. It holds the Shelby letters. That original fiberglass hood. Again, to the tags, it's the original Shelby tag. You can see the number here, 00853. And we can take you over here to the original buck tag. Where you typically see rust on these, obviously, floors, torque boxes, things like that. But you always see it on these aprons here, and you can see these are bone dry. If we go to the other side, exact same thing, bone dry. See down those aprons have their original spot welds. So, extremely solid car. The engine in this one, this is a C6 ME 428. It is standard bore, but it is not the original motor to this car. It also does have the aluminum intake, Cobra LeMans valve covers, It does have a C9 U carburetor. So that is the universal fitment for all 428s. That's what's on this one. You do get original radiator. And we'll show you some other goodies that come with this one here in a little bit. But you see around, very complete project here at Nate's Classic Cars. Show you that original nose. You can tell by how that fiberglass is laid. So let's take a peek underneath on both sides. Show you just how solid it is. So you can still see some of that red oxide throughout. You see here where the seam seal peeled away. That's that original red oxide. Torque boxes, rock solid. Frame rails. All back there. Take you to the other side. Show you much of the same. Does have the C6 transmission up there as well. As you can see, very solid. Does have its transverse exhaust system in the car as well. So let's take a stroll over here to the parts. You can see those 1968 Shelby wheel covers, fan blade, oil pan. This box here is the money. That's all the AC components, even the hoses. It's got it all. There's the condenser. See some miscellaneous pieces in that one. Here's all your power steering pieces. There's manifolds in the bottom there, starter, some miscellaneous. Then we come over here. Here's all your pulleys, rods, pistons, rockers, camshaft, a little bit of everything in that one. If you notice, the windshield did have a crack in it, but here's another windshield, good one, ready to go. And there is a 1U crank for the 428. So, very complete project, extremely solid project. It's got all its original tags as we showed you, original interior, original fiberglass, original Ford metal. Extremely hard to find them like this these days. So we're happy to bring this project to you guys here at Nate's Classic Cars. We're asking $110,000 on this one. If you're interested, reach out to me personally, 812-661-7743. Any photos that you need, any other videos you need, we can provide those to you. Again, just reach out to me personally and we can make that happen. So getting ready to list this one, $110,000. It won't last long at that price. We'll see y'all again soon. We've got a couple other cars coming in this week, so we'll get those posted.